Jazzy, show Jalen your tooth. Closer.
Nice wiggly tooth.
Nice and wiggly.
I'm gonna grab it. Just kidding.
Okay, now try to pull it out on the screen. Pull it.
No.
Wait. Okay. Sit up. Tell me a story. A happy story. Like when you went to Disneyland. Remember? Get up.
Or else I'll tickle
tooth
you.
Again. Let's see that tooth. Okay. All right. Do you like the tooth fairy? Do you like the tooth fairy to come? Okay. We have a live one. Let's see. Don't you want Mama to help you? We can't have them forever. Jasmine. Let's see that tooth. Look, wait. Let's see. Oh, I see it. Let me see. This is not going to work. Jasmine. All right, give me that tooth.